Over the next series of videos, we're going to discuss two more laws of thermodynamics, but before we can start into that, we need to discuss a different way of calculating work. We learned that work is equal to force times displacement. But now we're going to be talking about compressing gases. So if we have a container and we put a piston on top of it so that we can apply an even force downward, when we apply that force over this area, it's going to push the piston down some delta D. So we're still going to apply a force over distance, but now because we're talking about a gas, we want to talk about how the pressure and volume are affected rather than force and displacement. So remember, pressure is equal to force divided by area. So we're going to take pressure times area and set it equal to force. So we're going to replace force with pressure times area. We still have the change in displacement, but we're going to turn that displacement into a change in volume because we're taking an area times another dimension, which is volume. Now there's one thing we do have to be careful of. Because pressure and volume are inversely related to each other, and in order to follow the sign convention in your textbook, we need to put a negative sign out front here to talk about the work done on the gas. So this means that work is going to be positive when the gas is compressed, and work is going to be negative when the gas is expanded.